Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. This market is reacting quite well to a speech that Mr. Donald Trump is giving right now. So we don't believe in the move. We just think that this is the same folks than yesterday. You remember we're gonna multiply our nation and like that push the market like this. But I think it's just smoke. It's just like this guy really don't know what he's saying. So but whatever. So yeah, more than that, doing good here. I think it's a light day number wise, but like I cannot check right now. I want to see when Mr. Trump stepped down from the podium. So because I cannot see when he's stepping down from the podium, if I remove the video from there, I won't be able to look at the news now.
So apparently he's talking about Netflix right now. So
Yeah, Netflix went down quite a lot because Netflix is spending 20% more than what they were spending before. So is this after the acquisition of Warner Brothers? He said, I kind of don't know for real what they like. Let's say I don't know what is the behind, like why, but I know they seem to be spending more than they were spending before. Like 20% is quite a lot, I know. So.
Right.
Yeah, so I am shorting this bad boy again. I have an order there to get short on SPY on S&P 500. It just makes no sense, you know. It's okay. You can be talking whatever you want to talk about. Like fundamentals are fundamentals. So
right.
yeah, it's a little bit annoying, but it's okay. We can handle it. So we're gonna take a quick look at this bad boy. So we are there. We have more critical places toward the upside. So that's gonna be a shot. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to wait for higher prices. But I don't see why we should go above that price. So for now, I am trying to just get that trade probably at the open. Let's see. So, but yeah. So what about you, Marie? How are you doing today? How is everything going for you?
I am doing very, very well. Slept very, very well. So yeah, let's see if this is going to translate well into the trading piece.
Nice.
Right now, it's quite a bullish move. How are you doing, Davey?
Pretty good, too. Pretty good. I sleep okay. This thing is distracting me. Trading overnight. But yeah. So
yeah, no kidding. I bet it did.
More than that, all good. Just doing as good as we can. So yeah, this thing is trying to go higher. So very tricky move right here. So I shouldn't be shorting 6 contract. I should be shorting 3. But that's a better price than what I had previously. So I'm gonna see if we can handle that. So come on, folks, go back up. Don't tell me that you're gonna return from there. So I'm gonna leave it quiet there, but yeah, doing good. I have a short that is not doing that good, the INTC short overnight. But as I said previously, that is a swing trade already. So the one I am looking at is Nvidia. Nvidia is trying to go higher, but like also running out of fuel. So yeah, trading wise, what do you have to share? Like, do you have any idea?
Okay, so you're still on Greenland, but I agree with you. There seems to be a little bit.
A little bit of confusion.
No, well, right now we still have a battle going on. Right there. Because when we're looking in the 15, right now, if I'm looking in the 15, it's right in the middle of the range. So right there could go reversal, but it seems like there's
so we have the same range because mine is in the middle of the range too.
Yeah, me too. Right in the middle of the range right there. So yes, it could be still popping. And if it's popping, then we've got okay.
Hello, hello. Good morning. Yeah, so I'm trying to short that level on like
We still
it's a
have
little
some.
bit above the day high, the pre-market high. So uh, well, there are minimum threshold for that, like but basically like that's different for everybody. So like this person O'Doyle, he have a question about start. Can I start by trading $1 and turn it into five? So realistically talking, like most of the broker will require like a minimum, and that minimum is required by law. Let's say like basically like they will ask you, can you go from like a $2,000 to $10,000? Yes, it's doable, but it requires
High risk.
a lot of discipline
And
and high risk.
high
And it
risk
depends, like,
tolerance.
in what time frame. Like for example, are we talking that you want to do that in a month, like in a year?
Order filled.
In like what is your threshold? Like so, with time that's doable, but to get to profitability is the most important thing first. And then once you get to profitability, then you know at what speed you are able to make money. Like basically everybody have a specific speed. Like okay, I make $1,000 per month, let's say, and then you know if I am making $1,000 per month with 2,000, it will take me like 10 months to get there, you know. So, but it's basically what is your speed making money. Like so, but yeah, it's doable. People do that. I do that. Like in general in my swing trade, like I'm day trading too. But like swing trade is easier in that matter. But we have done that eventually. It's just it take time. Like in trading, there is no getting rich faster. That's not true. That we get like we are not rich either. Like we are just regular people that have like a regular salary probably out of this. But in general, like it's doable. It's just it takes a lot of education and a lot of discipline and time for sure. So Trump is talking right yet, so I cannot wait for him to step down from the podium because he's making the market to be a little bit funky, and that happened yesterday too. I don't know if you remember. Why is this line moving? So that line shouldn't move. I'm gonna have to erase it because delete. There we go. That line shouldn't be moving, and it was moving. So, right. So, what do you have? Do you have any trade? You have TQQ.
so
only.
TQQ. I took a trade overnight,
Nice.
and I think I'm just going to be
Out of it.
might as well and focus.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. You're very nice too. It's my pleasure to answer your question.
Okay, so I'm going.
There
to...
we go. We are printing that little push down. It cannot go high all the time, you know, with this guy just talking there. Like, it's just talking nonsense. But whatever. He's the power
But
right
it
now.
did not go through. It wicked through.
I think I forgot Zach. Sorry, Zach. My bad. My guy, Zach. I'm opening it now. I don't know if you are around there. I just I couldn't see. Yeah, look at that nice push back up from the 200 moving average in the actual yeah
In the range.
in the ES, yeah. Are you actually listening to the speech or not? Like,
No.
or you are just listening to the guys?
I'm listening to the guys, but maybe we should be listening. Okay,
Bloomberg
so
is streaming it, but like, yeah, like I don't change it. Don't worry. Like, I'm managing my risk here, so it's
yeah, so it's still we still have some buyers here.
probably I should have less contracts, but It's making higher highs, but by the penny. So let's see. It's gonna get me out. It's really waking up. But I will commit to that position. Let's see what it does.
Okay. Right now, for me, it's in nowhere land. So.
Yeah, like in my case, I took the trade at a good price.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just trying to survive. It's just, as I say, like 6 contracts is too much for my risk tolerance right now. So
That makes sense. So, when we're looking at just to talk a little bit about the sector map, as we know, yesterday there was a very, very big pullback. And there's not a whole lot of sector that are green. A lot of red out there.
yeah, but yesterday we began the same, like the day began the same way. Like the market was kind of bloody when the market opened yesterday.
Did a little bit of a pop and then pull back to.
But this guy grabbed the microphone way earlier. So no, today way earlier. Like yesterday, I think he was at 11 or at 10, and like he was able to push the market really, really high. You know, like toward my toward how high should go according to my expectations. But yeah.
So right now, for me, approaching a level.
Yeah, it's the question is if you make a higher high. I might be out if you make a higher high, which it seems to be wanting to, but let's see.
I'm just readjusting my. Wow. That's some. Hey.
Yeah, my stop loss is way too tight.
I like that. I was able by mistake to combine them.
Combine which one?
My two indicators. The balance of power and the RSI.
You're able even to put it in the chart, did you know that?
That I don't want, but
Yeah.
that's cool. No.
Alright, I survived pretty much by the penny. So we are going to be waiting for that and see if it wants to hold below. As I say, if it goes down, I have a good entry. But like, doesn't mean a lot yet. It's just there was a level there. There is a major level for me at 6,887 and 25, I think it is.
Okay.
Yeah, but more than that, there is not much I can do right now. So I just have to wait. He's still talking. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So it wicked my level by the penny and is pulling back. But if I'm looking at
It re-entering the level. Like
Yeah.
in my level, it re-entered.
Absolutely.
We took the bearishness right now.
what I'm looking at here,
I actually like what he did because right now, basically, I was targeting like $1,600 for that trade. What's up, my guy? And I think that now it's gonna make it easier because it was doable when I was at a lower price. Now I have a better price, so to get there it should be a piece of cake. The 1,500 is per day or is per trade?
per day.
Per
And
day.
it has to be below.
In a day I cannot know, but like I'm gonna do a little bit more, but that's okay.
Okay, then your threshold goes.
But yeah, I'm
Higher.
aware of that, but it's just like by $100. But my question is like, it's per day, it's not per trade.
Correct.
That's annoying. It's like, why would they do that?
Well, they just want to test. Hey, if you're that good, go for it. I love it. Right? But it's true. If you're going to be doing that every day, my God, they're going to give you
Yeah.
an account by the end of this week. Right?
Yeah. Well, my goal is by Friday. I know it's crazy, but by Friday I have to be done with that one. So, right,
Me gusta.
it's a competition, right?
Me gusta.
Yesterday we got into a competition here. We're gonna get that competition done right away, because nobody does things the way we do.
Hey,
Yeah.
a good one.
It's crazy. So, yeah, my guy, his market's gonna open in a minute. So watch out for that. My
I'm
guy,
gonna
Zach,
put an
is
order.
somewhere around there. So, Zach, okay, Zach, I'm right here. Sorry, my guy. Hello.
Hello.
Hola, hola.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, vous?
Oh, très bien.
Oi.
Very noisy. Let me see. Maybe I have the volume too high.
Whew. You're blowing us away.
There we go. Can you hear me now? Now it's gone.
Oh my guy. Where's your profit?
My profit is gone, my guy. But I'm gonna make it back. Don't worry. This is a easy peasy lemon squeezy, you say?
My guy. Partial.
Partial for what?
The apple back.
Oh, God.
No, it's the I have a clear target, my guy here. I told Marie I'm gonna finish the challenge by Friday. By Friday we're gonna be done with this. Maybe by Thursday. No, no, tomorrow is Thursday. It's okay.
Okay, so I am going to add front runner 6860, and it's going to be buying 5.
And that rule is hurting me a little bit, like yeah, but whatever.
A rule of cannot win more than.
More than 1,500, yeah.
Yeah, but they don't want lucky guys. They want consistent guys. So I guess.
It's okay. I'm not lucky. I know what I'm doing, so.
Yeah, but if you're not lucky, you should be able to make 2 days.
Yeah, for sure. It's just like I'm being hard-headed by not taking partials, and that's my bad. But we have a plan, so the plan should work. It bounced by depending that level that I had here. So, but SPY shouldn't make a higher high today. But this guy is still talking, my guy. Blah 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 blah. It's just he doesn't fucking shut up. But yeah, so yeah, whatever. Sorry about the swearing, but yeah, it's just like yesterday he did the same at 10 or at 11, and I said, my guy, why are you still talking there?
Right?
It's like the market shouldn't be going the way it was going, but the fact that he's talking about things that he shouldn't be talking is like I never seen somebody so much involved into the market when it's not even there, but whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna be taking some partial for my beautiful NVDA because NVIDIA is doing fantastic. So I think I'm gonna have to bail out. I'm gonna be bail out of the INTC. Let's see, Man, I need to see all-time high. Like, well, not all-time high for the last 6 months is at the high. So
19 hours is not your real 19 hours?
more or less.
Oh, yeah. Oof. That's,
Yeah, it's a very bad trade in general, but it's a swing trade. It's not a day trade.
okay. So I see you didn't sleep a lot.
I was a little bit distracted by the trade I had overnight, so that's not good. But we MacGyvered, you know, and yeah. So let's see how we do.
So
Yeah,
I
well-
got a short at my level. It's great, printing well.
Look at you.
I've got my stop loss just above.
You enter on Spire, right?
Yes.
You know,
Well, S&P.
you know why? If the reason, like, I won't be able to do that much money every day on this thing, but it's just like the market is right now in a phase that if you have the right direction with this account, you can really take advantage of it. And but yeah, let's see.
I've seen a video yesterday while Trump was talking. He was saying, like, bragging about how the stock market is doing well and is.
My guy,
Sorry?
I was listening to the whole speech. Yeah, sorry for interrupting you. What were you saying? Like, they were
Like-
making fun of it or what?
No, like he said, like, it's awesome. We did 82 all-time highs, and then on the corner you see like Nasdaq. It was 1.4% down, and then it went like that at 2% down.
Yeah. This morning he say because he mistaken the 52 weeks. He mistaken with the 52 times high. That was this morning, and he said, "Well, that's a whole year." And then he tried to fix it there, but you know, it's like somebody's telling him, "But we are at 52 times high," something like that. And then he's saying just 52 times. No, we didn't want 52 times high. So hello, Venu. How are you doing? What are you trading today? Yeah, and that's like. That's what I say. Like, I mean, I don't have anything we don't get political here. We really don't want to be political oriented, and we are not actually. We just trade and we try to make money. But what I'm saying here is like it's not normal that a president is talking about any company actions like let's say Warner Brother and Netflix acquisition. He's just being opinionated about it. He's in between. He's like, I have to look at that deal. Why do you have to look at that deal? You are the president. You are not the DOJ or anything like that. So, and that's, let's say, for those companies. But then, like in here, like he's saying, like, the energy crisis, I solved it. It was my idea. None of you thought about that, you know? Like, it's like, no. It's like, that's not right. So not that it's not right. It's just like who is gonna buy that speech? You know, that's the weird thing. But yeah,
If it goes through this level, I'm going to be adding.
I have a level at 6,848. But my target is 6,815.
Okay, so we've got some consolidation here. And the levels are in the middle. Come on, go through it.
So
A
basically,
lot of absorption.
it make trading a little bit harder because like you're reading your chart correctly. You are reading your tape correctly. You just say like, okay, this is what it's supposed to be doing. Like, I mean, your gauge of what it's supposed to be doing is correct. Though the fact that this guy is grabbing the microphone is making it funky. So, but yeah,
Agreed.
if INTC make a higher high, I'm gonna be out of that thing. I'm uncomfortable with that trade already, but it's okay.
Okay, so
Still going on.
Ooh la la. So yeah, yesterday if I was there in the afternoon,
Mm-hmm.
and my level respected good, so good, really good.
Nice.
okay. We're gonna watch out right about there.
It's interesting.
I'm gonna
There is
see
a
if
level
I'm
right
going to. Okay, out of the
there.
trade.
That level was pierced by a little bit too much.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why if it went there for me, I was out. So I got out. So now we're running.
I want to get short soon.
So it should be right there. Another level is showing up at 686650. What about you, Davy?
I will stay put for that because I don't want to be a step out by mistake. Like I mean, right now it went very like not right now. Right now it's trying to go back up. So right at the open, it went very close to my exit, to my stop loss.
Okay.
But it didn't get me out, so I doubt it's gonna make a higher high. But if it does a higher high, it will for sure get me out. So I just will stay put because I think I'm not necessarily able to get a better price.
Okay.
So I know it pierced the level by too much, but it seems to be like running out of steam. Like that big push there was with a decent volume, and it wasn't able to make a higher high. Like the wick is quite big for the hop side. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay there. So do you have anything, or you don't have any trade? Zach,
No.
do you have any trade?
Well, I had one.
No,
Yeah, you came out already, so
I don't have one yet.
understood.
I'm putting an order to go short. At the level where it touched by the penny there,
Mm-hmm.
but
All right. So today.
it was like a weak level.
Okay.
I didn't get it.
Like no jokes about this. Like every single trade that I have taken in this thing, is roughly like. It's making very decent money, but like I have the bad luck, the bad luck. I am going too big eventually, but like I have get to step out a couple times, and then it's like, oh man, it's just the idea was the right idea, but 2 times I got to step out because of Trump, and the other it was just because I was too aggressive. So
Okay, interacting with one of my levels right there.
like for example, you see that line that I have in yellow, it's the 6,848. That line right there is a very important level, and I have another one that is more important. That is the red one that is right here. So that's 668. That's my target. Actually, I said it before. But if it goes there, there is a big chance that it will go even lower. I'm talking about 68,015 with 75 cents. So if we get there, we're gonna be golden. And then we won't trade anymore on this because like for what? So, but yeah, INTC, my guy, INTC. So I'm gonna start taking some partial on my NVIDIA and VDA. So let's see NVIDIA. That one is doing good. Like as a swing trade, if NVIDIA make it to 173, I will be happy to buy it.
Here we go. Good job. He's talking about the market. He will make the stock market rally.
Great again.
He will make the market rally.
He say that.
He just said that.
All right. Hey, you made it already and you didn't know. He made it rally and he didn't know. Or maybe he's talking about a daily thing.
The action today is brought to you by the President of the United States.
No, but like for real, he's making it rally. Though he didn't know, like, or he
He
knew,
doesn't.
you know.
Come on,
I'm
come
assuming
on.
that he didn't know.
Come on now.
But like those comments that we were saying, like, why are you commenting on the market so much? Like, leave the market alone.
Okay, so I might be getting my order filled. So I put my order to go short at 6,866.50. That was my level. Seems like it could be getting there. We'll see. That seems to be at the end of that. If it goes through, well, great. I'm just gonna
68, 66.
68.66.50.
It's funny. You have your entry exactly where I have my stop loss.
Hey, that's perfect.
Mine's
Yeah.
68.69.
You're what?
68.69.
Okay, a little bit
My
higher.
order. But
Okay.
on the previous candle, I see a lot of absorption of the buyers. So my reverse there.
Yeah, the balance of power is definitely
So I'm adding
It's-
to NVDA.
it's shifting.
But also there's absorption of the seller there.
We've got a high RSI. I think we're still figuring things out here. We'll see. I'm gonna stay quiet. Okay, 9:45. So we've got, surprising enough. So pre-market, we were talking about the sector map being so red that it would be second degree burn. Now we are
Green.
green. We've got spring happening here. It's everywhere. So the only one that's really red, we've got Microsoft, Oracle, and is that Snap? Maybe.
Microsoft is red. Ooh la la. That's no good.
I hear it. I hear it. So good. So good.
He never ever, right? Misses an opportunity. We've got Meta that's slightly red, and we've got Netflix very red, which I am surprised. With everything happening. Okay, we're starting to shift here. We'll see.
Like it touched my level that I wasn't sure, but
Did it touch your level?
uh,
For me, it didn't.
no, but not my entry. But it touched one of my level that
Okay.
that I was saying that is less important. Order is at the level that is important.
Yeah, we're struggling there. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see what's going to happen. Okay, there we go. Just a little pop and bring a bot down. Let's go.
I would like it.
Yeah.
Go pop in.
Just a
Get
little
in
pop
on
and
the wick.
go bye-bye.
You get in on the wick
Oof,
and
oof.
it's coming.
The pressure of doing it in a week. Yeah, it's coming. The little push is coming. So slow.
So painful.
So slow.
Tempo.
Oh, oh. Oh, come on. Come on.
So you're
It's
close to your
so
entry.
close.
It's close, eh? Your entry.
Oy.
Yeah, it's close to step
66.
me out too.
Yeah.
Very close to step me out. So.
66, Murray. You are?
There we
Order
go.
filled.
Got it.
Nice.
I'm almost there too. Come on, come on.
Almost.
Get me. No.
No,
Get me.
no, no. Hey, my God. Did you see it react to that?
I-
To my 2D penny. Oh, if it pops to your level, I think I'm going to add.
Mhm. Like, it didn't touch a range. So it should come back to touch it before. Or people are front running it, so I don't know.
We still have strength in the RSI to get there.
That's, if I get filled, that's gonna be a beautiful show. So,
Oh, God. We'll see what it's going to go there and what Mr. T has in store.
Listen.
And what about you, baby?
I have another order for the short. So.
Oh, it got you out?
Yeah, it got me out.
Okay, 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 okay.
what the risk per trade, maybe?
What was that? 200.
Oh. Okay. Let's go. Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Yeah.
He's going to
Yes,
get you.
I got me.
I got it just a little bit higher than you. Let's see. You haven't got me yet.
My stop loss is kind of tight, but if it gets to that weekend, our fight stochastic is curling back. I see absorption on the top. Go. Everything seems to be aiming for a short. Maybe we'll try to step me out before. So.
There is a level right above 680, 70, 75. But your level seems to be very solid right now.
Yeah.
Got me out.
Nice.
Glad it did.
Well, nice that you are just
Mm-hmm.
managing risk.
I'm still in.
Okay, stop talking.
Okay, that's bullish, no?
Yeah. All right, so I can just get rid of this thing and check the market calendar.
The level is holding good. Let's see. The range is kind of wide, so
Mm-hmm.
it has that like space to move a bit.
Order filled.
I got it.
It's gonna step me out.
but it's moving
Let me
above
out.
quite wagging.
Yes, let me know. Oh.
Where's the next level for you guys?
688.81. No, 680. 6,881. I cannot see how much. With 75.
At 681.80.
I have 681.
I'm gonna try it.
75.
Oh, he came back.
Ay, ay,
Eh.
This
Like
is
a
funny,
mosquito.
Magar, you know, it's very funny.
He's like a mosquito.
Whack, whack, whack.
How
He's coming back in.
Yeah, in order to do this now, I will be forced
Oh,
to
he
take
said
part
to
in
buy the
DJT.
buy the market.
That's what he said.
Apparently, I didn't hear him myself.
All right, so
I'm back short.
yeah, like it's a bit annoying, but today I'm not sure because it's very early yet. But the fact that he came back to say whatever, I don't know. It would be nice to know what he said precisely.
I think he's coming back to talk about Greenland. So if that's the case, but we still have green.
Am I too fixated on the short maybe today?
Hmm?
Maybe I'm too fixated on the short.
Mm-hmm. I was thinking the same thing. So everybody now has flipped.
Toward the long.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. What should I feel?
He's flipped a switch on all of his trade to go long.
Right, let's take a quick look at everything. So,
Okay, so 688,175. I'm gonna give it another one there. 688.
Order filled.
1.
Order filled.
Update.
Okay, so I got my order filled, monitoring it closely.
All right. Yeah, like the map is getting mixed right now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Absolutely.
Mhm.
Ooh. Pending home sale, negative. Negative. 9.3.
Yeah, the market, like SPY actually, we put a big 60-minute candle toward the upside. So crazy big candle. So
And the stochastic is compressing, it's crazy.
yeah.
Pardon?
The stochastic is like high for a long time. Now it's compressing with the short term one. So like is it gonna go down? I don't just don't know exactly when. So. I don't know you're a bit higher.
Doesn't look like it wants to go down. Like I mean, I don't know what. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, I don't want to hit maximum loss again today.
You what?
I don't want to hit maximum loss on that thing again today. Yeah, I think. Hey, you pay the price of your mistakes, so.
Do you want me to say partial in Spanish? Partiolita.
Partiolita. That's a little partial.
That's not how you say it, my guy.
No?
I'm kidding. Yeah.
Partiolita.
It looked Italian, so
Yeah, that sounds Italian. Mon ami, les
I'll be-
Italiens. No, you say parcial, but like it doesn't
Parciale.
mean the same in Spanish.
No?
No. I don't know. How could I say that in Spanish? Let's see. Yeah, parcial. Okay, toma un parcial. It sounds weird, but
Tomo parcial?
yeah, toma un parcial. It sounds weird, but it's correct actually.
partialito.
Then that will be a little one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but little one is still good, you know.
That's what they say. Yeah. What I was going to say. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put a rule probably where like I think you are allowed to do it with this thing, like to just buy 3 contracts until I make a cushion. Like just allow me 3 contracts until I make a cushion because I have the right ideas but too aggressive. I think the check box that we I'm gonna be out of INTC soon. I have a stop loss already there. So I think the checklist that I should be putting like the item in the checklist for the morning is like, is Trump talking today? Is he programmed to be talking somewhere? So if he is, just screw that. You know, like just don't take any trade.
So,
Because
I'm-
yeah.
I agree with you. It's crazy, right? Where's your next level? My next level is 6,900.
I have one level and it's a red level, which means it was stronger before. It's at 6,800 with 82.
It's right there.
No, sorry, 6,000. Oh no, 6,887 with 25.
90. That's my entry for short.
Nice. Well, yeah, today having the second day in a row that I get caught by that one, you know? So, by Trump talking. Like yesterday, it was the same. I had a fantastic trade.
Grab the mic.
Grab the mic. And then I have a crappy day. Then today again. Though today I have more hope today. And today I have even more profit that I was able to take, but I didn't take, you know? It's like, my guy, like, just don't find excuses, you know? Your execution is sucky right now. INTC, my stop loss is at 53.20. So that's okay. We are making it in Google.
Are you?
Oh yeah, no, Google is coming back up at least. So it's just like that's why I say sometimes it's a good thing because you have like one bad and one good. It's like you compensate there. It's not the best thing to do because still like in one you are taking a loss, but that's the name of the game, you know. If you are not okay losing, don't trade. You know, just don't trade. You're gonna do yourself a favor.
That's right.
Like I gonna buy the pillow. I'm gonna buy a pillow at some point. His name is gonna be Big Loss.
It's gonna be what?
Big Loss. And I'm gonna hug him eventually and say, hello. How are you doing, my friend? You know. And you're me. Yeah.
You are funny.
I know I am. Sometimes. Like if you see now, I went 3 contracts now on the futures. Like I should be going 3 contracts first and then 6, but I am going 6 and then 3.
Yeah, and now it will be harder to recuperate. That's
It won't be too hard, but because like once I get back to flat, I will buy 6 again. So, but yeah, I know what you mean. It's a little bit tricky. So I'm out of INTC finally.
It happened to me too when I started the account. I was risking 200.
Mm-hmm.
So when I got back to 100, it was like harder to get back the loss.
Yeah, like well, basically, like it's funny because the guy I hear saying this is somebody that I think have found his plateau, but like especially in the group that we have right now, in the group of for the traders, like Angel was sharing that the guy was sued and things like that, and he got to pay a lot. Well, no, the SEC paid because of mismanagement or whatever. But what I'm saying here is like
Trump is off the stage.
sometimes you get into a hole with a big shovel, and then to get out of the hole, they give you a small shovel. So that's basically what we are doing here. You are getting into the hole with a big size,
But then when you want to
and
get
then
out
when
of
you
it, you
get
got
out
a
of the
spoon.
hole, you have a spoon. Yeah, it's like, oof,
LCCC.
how the heck
Because-
I build a ladder with this one, you know?
But it's because when we dug a hole, we got really hit by the big shovel upside the head.
But in that book that you have for
I agree. It's
for tape reading, they say like most of the traders like that are like that good, they just do the opposite. Like you broke a level, it shouldn't go. Next time I go double,
yeah.
and next time I
Because
go
it's a
even heavier.
confirmation.
It's a higher expected value.
Mm-hmm.
The more you move against you. Which sometimes just saying if you are able to just cross your arms while it dig its hole on its own, and then you know like okay, now is that my idea is very easy, you know. Now is that I'm gonna short the crap out of it, then it's another story. But we are not good at holding our hands.
I
so.
should be getting my orders soon. We'll see.
I noticed that you haven't went long pretty much, or yes? You went long at the beginning, no? I think
no,
you went long, no?
no, short.
Will you share with us why? Like, it's not to put you in the spot. It's just like
Oh no.
I just
It's
find
just-
it curious that you are not taking any.
I know because I'm so long usually, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be. I believe that at the beginning I was in the bias mode. So when I looked at the tape, at the top tapes of the top tickers, I saw all that had a top level. I didn't see it. You know, sometimes we look at the tape and we're able to see, even with SPY, we're able to see further. And you say you have these big orders hanging somewhere. But in this case, there wasn't any. So I said, okay, well, it seems like it's going to be reaching a top. And that top, I was seeing it pretty much at the top that was here, that was the previous resistance level, that was a resistant level yesterday, and as well of this morning. So I said, you know what? That seems to be pretty toppy there. The tapes tell me toppy, but we didn't expect Trump to hit the mic.
Yeah, okay.
So I was hanging my orders there, and I was taking short from there.
And did you see how low we went overnight?
Incredible.
So
So that level is definitely seems to be an important level there. This, we were talking about the 681. I've got a order there hanging. We'll see if we're going to be getting it. So he's done. He's completely done. He's walked out the stage. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye bye la. So we'll see what's going to happen. So that seems to be the market seems to be taking a little bit of a breather and saying, "Oh, we'll see."
and then the way that those things went through those levels, like water.
You're not gonna get me. That's there we go. I got it. We'll see. Wow. So I'll see what oh, I'm missing a second clock. Let me see. Oh, you've got it there. Thank you. So I'm gonna give it 10 seconds to see if I'm going to be adding to my contract. Wow.
I have an order. If it set me out, I'm
Wow.
out for the day.
Me too. I'm gonna be
Wow.
out for the day very soon.
So it's
Order
doing-
Wow.
I'm out for the day on that thing. So dismiss. That's the level that I liked it before, but yeah.
Okay, gonna fill me in. I got in.
Nice.
Short. Let's see. Big absorption on the top. Like it. I like it. Let's go. I had on that. Don't know if I should have move my stop loss closer. Yeah, I should. But a bit too late.
I want to put another order, but when I'm looking at the levels,
Like the push.
$6.90.
So that move has good potential in my opinion.
Let's see if we can do that.
I put my first partial at 6,880.
Nice.
So that's far. So that's good because I always take partial too soon,
Nice.
and that's my other level. So
La, 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 ooh, la, la.
like usually I would have already taken some, but that's way too soon. So.
I think Marie got the best.
We'll see.
You didn't get it?
Didn't get it. I'm waiting.
Yeah, like that
You got the 90? You
Yeah.
got the 90?
Mm-hmm.
6890.
You got the 8950 for me? Jesus Christ. Let's go. Breakdown.
Let's go.
Breakdown. Big, long, and the price is not moving up. That's freaking bearish. Okay, I got one,
Nice. He's got a partial.
a partial,
Nice.
almost two.
You'll see there.
Okay, take my other one on my other level there. Big absorption again.
You are going short? Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, from 6,889.5 for the week.
Like Wang.
Okay, I got my other partial. Then I'll let it run a bit more.
Here we go. Money talk.
Like, there's a chance that it's the highest. I got the high of the day
Yeah.
for the whole day.
There's
Yeah.
a chance of that. So right now,
I totally agree with that, my guy.
Do not fuck it up because I have a good price. So do not get out too soon.
so right there, that's the level. But it's not going through. If it goes through that level, I'm gonna go in market.
Yeah. If it goes through that, yeah, I'm in business for the short.
I'm gonna
Now
go
it's
for
bouncing
market,
from
but it still didn't go through that level. So my hands are crossed. Should be sitting on them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, like you went in my range and just rebound with the week. So.
It's still in the top volume bracket, so if it goes below the second one, but it did not. And there we go. So because it didn't cross that level, I'm glad I didn't jump in market. We'll see now. Now it's at the second one. So we still have the RSI that is quite high. And the balance of power is flipping to the positive.
Yeah, like, rare that I see the RSI all morning being that high. Like not the RSI.
Mm-hmm.
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 Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Mm. Mm, 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 mm.
Come on. Two little levels. Two little levels. Give me a high.
Those
So-
levels are not little, no, you know. Like I don't know if you saw like the level I have at the bottom here, and I put that line before it got to be there.
Look
By
at that!
the penny. So, but like I was expecting it to break it, but like let's say like that's one of the problem with me going short. Like that was my target, and that is my target if I wasn't blocked. So
Okay.
it's just like yeah. I'm gonna be determining what is going to be 3 contracts and what is gonna be 5 contracts. So because the bottom there seems to be a OK 6,
Mm-hmm.
but the other levels say OK 3. So
Oh, okay. That's good though to to you
Yeah.
know identify these levels.
yeah, because all the levels are not the same, you know.
Correct.
So
There's
ones-
some that you're able to front run with the 3, but others that you know what, they're so big that go big a little bit. You know, they're more established. You're
something
right.
else that I don't know if you guys noticed. Did you notice how far SPY is from the 200 moving average? It's like hell yeah.
Yeah, and the VWAP so far.
Yeah. So
Like if
it's-
it pulls back to VWAP, my guy, I'm going straight to the bar. I'm kidding.
No school today.
I was going to tell you
cool.
bring me with you, but I remember that you were a couple
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Hey, well,
So your
depending
flight-
on how it goes, we're gonna take a plane. Exactly. Take a
Yeah.
plane in Gatineau and go straight to Quebec City, and let's go.
Low private jet. The jet.
Hey, if it goes that well, no problem. He can pay it. Bring us there.
Imagine at one point being like, you know, like trading is working and everything. You make 10K a day, and you say like, oh, okay, if this trade works, let's go to the Bahamas or something. Like,
Yeah, there are people that can do that for sure, but
yeah.
it's another stage.
That'll be us.
Yeah, soon.
When I get funded, that will be me.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Let's go.
Oh, tengo hambre, mucho tengo hambre. Okay. Am I gonna go market? Not through it yet.
I'm playing so conservative in that account.
It's so weird, right? I'm the same.
Like on the pullback, I could have had,
And
or
Sorry.
are you okay?
Yeah, yeah, we're good. We're good.
That was a collision. Ooh. Watch out.
to me, the
Watch out.
stochastic looks short all the way to VWAP, let's say. But
Ooh, very equal volume here. Something's happening.
yeah, something's happening. I'm making money.
That's my
Something
guy.
happening. Be careful.
Yeah, there's a fight.
Mm-hmm. Watch out. Aye.
Maybe I won't make money.
Yep. Okay. It might get my contract. We'll see.
And this is
Oi,
ridiculous.
oi, oi.
Yeah, you may get it. But look at the RSI.
It's off. It's out of the range.
Yeah, it's
right?
out of
it's
the
out
range.
Of the range.
It's like very unusual.
Yeah, stochastic 2 is like the other side. It's like on top for the whole morning. So.
It's really high, right?
Mhm.
It's like you don't want to be president, my guy.
I'm not US. I'm not born in the US.
So you are a little alien.
You cannot be president.
Yeah, I remember the debate that was going around about Obama.
Obama.
Obama wasn't born in the US.
Yes,
Of
he
course
was.
he was.
Mm.
But Mr. T, you started a false rumor. I'm gonna get my price. You are kidding me. Oof, I don't know if I want it there, but now I seem to want to push it a little bit further. But you know what?
Bounce from that level again? Come on.
No, I'm gonna be leaving it there. Though we still have a little bit of a rally.
The big fight there. Just at my break even. But I have my stop loss a bit
Ooh.
higher.
Got it.
Marie
Yeah,
got
set me
it.
up.
There we go.
Got me out immediately.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, set me out too.
Okay, so would you go long?
Like,
This is a head scratching, you know?
I don't know how I can justify the long.
I know.
Yeah.
But then we're looking at the next level, right? So the next level is 6,900 for me, 6,900. 6,900. 6,900. So I'm saying, okay, well, you know what? It's for $20. So that would be a little
What does the fox say?
I made 1 hour back on that trade. Something like that.
All right, so smoky, smoky. It's very smoky day for me. Ay, ay, ay.
Got two. Doing a little scalp here.
Damn it, you
See,
have 15 contracts?
15 contracts to get to
What?
the 6,900.
You are trading with 15 contracts?
15 contracts to get to the.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Yeah, but if your stop loss is tight, it's like
Yeah.
the same.
Exactly.
What I'm talking about, that 6 contract is too much, you know?
Yep. And it worked me out.
Oh, you took off your...
You're short, you're long.
It seems. Do you need to put it in every day?
No, mine is in, and I don't have
But
to.
I had it in.
Maybe you didn't save it when you put it.
Oh yeah, I did. Of course I did. But you're sure you did not put it in again today?
I didn't put it in again.
I don't put it too.
Yeah. Yeah, like her daily stop loss is not working.
Yeah, your long
So
was right.
10.
And you have to
Yeah.
follow. I have a short there. I got filled. Can get right away. That's how it's gonna go. That's so nice of you.
No, so nice of you.
Yeah. I have a short bias today. So.
Mm-hmm. Right back at you.
Well, yeah, yes, you were, but like yeah, you know, it's. We can only wait for the end of the day to prove that you were right or wrong. Like,
Yeah, but the levels were going in or right or wrong, right? So
Yeah, but like-
they were wrong. If we say short from 68.20 when it's
the way
$100 up, I mean, that's a wrong level.
Yeah, well, but like that's what I mean. Like the fact that it's going through the level doesn't mean that you are that.
Yes, but I mean, it's not an optimum level. Yeah, you might make money at the end of the day, but no.
Like what? Like it's just like I think the market is too. Like I think your idea, guys, is right, but like it's just my opinion, whatever I'm saying here. So I think your idea is right, and the problem here is that we have, you know, people that are able to influence the market. So what you are seeing right now is the fuel that is still there from that little talk. So, like, what is the problem here? That we keep taking losses on it. So like if you decide, you know what, I'm gonna wait for like the same thing we were talking yesterday about that. If you wait for real signals, like okay, like now people you run out of steam, and where you run out of steam, well, like you can look at the RSI, you can look at the volume, and you can look at a level that is exceptionally stronger compared to the others. Like I know I'm blindsided here with this. Like for example, in the top step, I'm a little blindsided here because I can only see one little side of that thing. But like right now, let's say, if I want to justify any entry, yeah, basically I don't have an entry there. Like I mean, the strongest level previously was at 6,800 with 87, and we're trading way above that. So
you don't have a level at 6,900.
yeah, I do have a level, like I can tell you right now.
6,900.
But what I mean is that level is not stronger than any of the other levels that it broke. Yeah, 6,904.00. There is a little.
Yeah.
But like that's what I'm
Do
saying.
you see a little bit of absorption there?
I'm back short with a small full size. So
So basically, just to finish my comment in what guys were saying, your short bias sometimes, like for example, sometimes you're gonna be wrong for good, but sometimes just your execution is off because there is something that we are not pricing in. What we
Yeah.
are not pricing in,
Microphone.
that it was able to push it that far. Like today, to be honest, my expectation is that because it was earlier talk, it was going to last less.
Oh,
Like he was going to push it less, because yesterday he was able to push it just as bad. Like I mean, and then you say like, what the heck? Like like this shouldn't be going that way. But whatever. Like I won't swallow it too much. I really don't care. I'm just gonna keep repeating my process. And at the end of the day today, I will look at the chart and I say yes, I was right or I was wrong. But I have to wait for the close for that because. Is it annoying? Yes, it's a little bit annoying because you keep doing what you normally do that work. Today is not working, so.
it's true, right? Some days. Yeah, because all of my orders were put in and arms crossed. So it wasn't market orders, it wasn't jumping in, it wasn't. So, like you say, hey, you're taking it at the levels, you're looking at them, there's consolidation, there's absorption, you're looking, like you said, at the RSI, it's pulling back, and then whoop, out.
I feel like my strategy is more made for reversal days
Mm-hmm.
than trending days. So
All right, so let's keep it going.
So, if we're looking at the sector
Oh
map,
no, the market is green. Like
absolutely back to green, but we do have a couple that are a little bit. So Broadcom, PLTR is flat. Oracle's really, really down. We're looking at almost 3%. We still have Microsoft, that's red, and close to 1%. Google's doing very well, Davey.
Watch out for there is a decent there is a price action there that is relevant for the ES if you are still trading those. It's about to interact with it.
Okay. Oh, you don't have it there, right?
I have it.
If
Yeah,
you're
I
looking,
can put it there.
if you're looking at the level 2 in the print, whoo,
Now, like,
I'm not sure how to read that.
is that 6904 going to be the height of it?
It seems 0.3. Nothing above that. Wow. And there it is there.
I don't like having a hard stop loss for the day. It's so annoying. But sometimes it's the right thing to do. Especially now because I am just weighing my toe on this. So INTC, let's see INTC. INTC went all the way back up. So yeah, like that's very strong. This stock is gonna be reporting earnings tomorrow. So people are really bullish on that, Man, like just look at Google. I know that there is a relevant level. I actually have my line right there. This is a very relevant level for Google, 329. I have that loan from very long ago already, and yeah, that's doing fantastic. So let's just keep it there. So, which come back to basics, you know, like we have a yearly level on Google at some prices below. Actually, this is the yearly level, the 329. So that 329 for Google, once it trade above, we are a little bit more convinced about the bullishness of it. But right now, it's just doing fantastic. Look at that chart, like freaking nice. But yeah, so SPY having trouble there with the previous day high. Like right now, that's like that price that
Yeah.
you are shorting is the previous day
They
high.
high, yeah, that was you were correct. So when we're looking at this here, right? So, and at about this time, so it did the previous day high yesterday at 10:30, then stayed around there till about 11, and then pulled back. So let's see what the trend. Okay, so now it's going through. So it's above the previous day high.
Yeah. These very interesting market conditions, but
So we're actually now approaching the previous day high, which was 916.
what does the fox say? Then I have no more levels until
Yeah, I have a gap in the level too.
A big gap.
You might want to take a small position on. I take a long and I get stepped out, I'll be mad.
ay, ay, ay. I know the feeling, my guy. I know the feeling. What does the fox say? Did you see the French president speech?
And his speech, I didn't get the speech,
Yeah, I
but
watched his speeches.
I did see that
Though I don't know why he have to use glasses to talk, but yeah, it's okay.
Trump did a very, very uncouth move by sharing the texts that he had with the guy.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that. Well,
Oh, yeah. You know, he really likes me. He's a really nice guy. And, you know, sometimes they need to be a little bit tough, you know, when they're with the public and take a certain stand. But look at these texts. These texts are supportive and he's a good guy. And you're like, why are you sharing that?
and the texts were really supportive.
Well, no, well, when we're looking at Emmanuel, he said, "Hey, you know, yeah, I understand your position in Syria, but I definitely don't know what you're doing there for Greenland." So, wasn't supportive for Greenland at all. But he was sharing the texts that were coming from NATO members with the public. I don't think he'll get a whole lot more texts.
Yeah. Confidentiality only go Epstein files.
Right?
All right. So hey, that's it. I'm gonna put a line on the sun here. Like this thing is just not working. So I did poorly today, and I have done poorly today up to now. And yeah, we have to work on that.
I'm long with a small position, aiming for my other level.
Nice,
It's kind of far.
good flexibility.
For sure, I'll trail my position.
So I get out of Nvidia right there. That's it. So let's see where we go. So AMD, everything is like it passed from being like whatever it was negative to be 10% INTC, 8%, 9% AMD, 2% TSM, Tesla 2.4%. Like my guy, like take a break, you know.
But you said in this press conference that we should buy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next time we
Because
should listen to him.
people take it seriously because of when SPY went down and he said to buy.
My question in there is, what about fundamentals?
What about what?
The what?
What about fundamentals? You know, like inflation
When he
doesn't
grabs-
exist. You know.
When he grabs the mic, no fundamental.
We're the top.
Hmm?
Break the top. It's still long.
Oh my god.
We're in trouble, but you know. We'll break it, I think. find higher highs.
It's going a little bit sideways right there. I should try your strategy probably. But that will be assuming I want to blew off the account. and I want to, I really want to.
Well, you said you wanted to.
Yeah, because it's like I need to know how much I can press, So right now the way I have been pressing is not the best, but
You lose the bet if you do that.
yeah, but but it does. It's
I'm kidding.
if I do that, I lose the bet. But if I make it back, it's just.
I'm kidding.
I think that the bet, it doesn't matter who is there, it's who get there first, It's just a race. It doesn't matter if you have 10 accounts, whatever amount you have, like, whoever got there first, win.
But we don't have the same. Fund to make infinite accounts.
No, I'm not planning to make infinite account. I cannot do that either. It's just but it is cheap enough that I can pay a couple of them for sure. But what I'm saying here is just to like, for example, I see Marie. She's going in with 15 freaking contracts, and she have what? Like, how many minutes do you have in that? Like, so I know it's aggressive. Like, she's going super aggressive.
But that, when we're looking at that level,
like, I was $1,500 with 6 contract. Imagine with 15.
Yeah, but your risk would be insane because the stop loss is so wide.
But that's what I mean. Like, she's not getting a stop out that fast. So.
and my stop loss is 1R, right?
Yeah.
But you like risking $100?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what she's doing.
15 contract.
Yeah. So that's what I mean. Like, if you took your trade with 15 contract, maybe your stop loss would be like $500.
Okay.
It's not. Because you were trying scalping, Marie?
Yeah.
She have a good price. That's a for sure. Very good price.
Yep. Top of the. And there we go. Okay. I will be.
Like, the price haven't moved and she's making 2 hours. So. It's like, it haven't moved for what I consider a move. So it's just like, what?
Well, we're just learning, right? How
Yeah,
to do
for
all
sure,
this. So,
yeah, like,
right? So right now I'm learning, looking at different indicators, looking the price action, analyzing it a little bit. And you're saying, okay,
Like you can literally just like take 1 hour, refill your contract at the same price, and then it's a free trade.
yep. And I am.
Though I have a problem taking partial, so would I do the same? You know me.
Well said, Davey. That's good, eh? Okay, I'm going to be close to taking.
We're gonna quit day trading. Just do swing trading, you know? Who need day trading?
Yeah.
I'm impressed with that freaking Google. It's just coming back up like if there is nothing, you know?
At the end of my range almost, so we'll be taking a partial shortly. Almost. There. Woo.
Nice, Mary took a partial.
Yeah. Here we go, and still 3 yards. Woo! Let's go. That took a lot of patience, and that took a lot of ouch. Right? We'll see what's gonna happen.
Marie, I'm sorry. You did a mistake. You add to your contract.
Did I really?
Yes, you have 18 contracts now.
Okay.
See how big guys.
What the hell? I did it again.
Now she have 21.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay now. What the hell?
Hope it goes in your favor. Eh?
It is going in her favor, you know? It's just...
But I'm going to readjust my little stop loss here. Because I had a stop loss of freaking 3 hours here. Whoa, Nelly, whoa.
Now she have her origin, like more than her original position, and she already took partial. Like, she had still 18 contracts. Like, ay. I'm so wussy.
Yeah, and you know what? My stop loss is below, right now 3 hours, right? But my stop loss is below 1 hour.
So if you want to fool me just for fun,
Okay.
drag your profit taking. You know that you can do that. You have done it before.
Oh, yes.
So-
I do have.
But drag it to 68.15 and look how much money is that. That is so beep. So just drag it to 68.15. That has to be like 10K.
To what?
Yeah, like
68.15.
Yeah. Drag it to 68.
This.
Yeah, just pull it out down to 68.15.
It's not going to get me out.
No, it's not gonna get you out.
If you take your position and not your stop loss.
But exactly, it's that one. You got the correct one. Just don't go up. Go all the way down. So 68.15. You are way lower. You have to go way lower. Is that the low of the day? You have to squeeze
Yeah,
up the
it's
price
going to
more.
be about 7,000. Wow.
If you release it there, it doesn't do anything. So now you have a. If he goes to the VWAP, she make $2,600 almost.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
I don't want
you
that.
need to make 1,500.
Yeah,
It will block you at.
it does subtract the loss, no?
Yeah. So she's
So you could be aiming for 2,100, something like that, or 2,200, and like that per day, you don't have more than 15K, 1,500s.
Okay, so we're finding a little bit there.
I didn't want to influence you. I see my idea trap you, so I don't want you to trap you. Take
Oh,
your
no.
partials.
Yeah. I'm
right.
going to still take partials for sure.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Right? I'm not going to leave 4 right there. I got 4R on the table here. It's just that I want to wait till the bottom of the level, and it's very close.
Sweetheart, Alabama.
sweet home.
I know.
Okay, now we're talking.
She's printing a house right now.
So what did you see to go short?
The level. The thing
What did you see to go short?
I was seeing, and there's another partial. Me gusta mucho. So what I saw is, you know what I was saying to Daisy, and well, I said it to Davey, I said it to both. I said, if you're looking at the level 2 and you're looking at the print, it was flipping and there was no one. So the bid, there was no one that was there to the bid. So there was really, really decreasing, and there was a level there where there was no order above that. So what I do is I've got a screen that's in a 1 hour, and I've got a screen that's in a 15 minutes, a chart. The 1 hour, since we started to trade this morning, it's the first time that we've got a curl on the RSI. So I said, yeah, you know what? This could be a good one. Right there. So the 2 minute, because right now, if I'm looking at the 2 minute balance of power, it's just going up and down, up and down, up and down.
I have
up
you
and
say the
down,
balance.
up
What is the balance of power? What is that thing?
So this here is telling me where it's flipping the buyers and the sellers.
The balance of power.
La balance of power.
Never hear about that one before.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so right now it's at the top there.
Right. So let's see.
We'll see if I'm going to be adding. So my stop loss is still less than 1 hour. I don't want to go too tight. But soon I am going to break it to break even, but it's not there yet. Okay, so much to watch, eh? Woo! Woo! La breath. La breath. Okay. So here, what's that level? Okay, the VPVR. That's that. Oof. Okay,
That's why I
so
was
it's
asking
getting-
if they give you an account that doesn't count. That would be cool.
Yeah, but that's not smart for them. They want you to lose.
Yeah, for sure. That's why they do it. Yeah, like, what if you stay there for too long?
What if you get good? And then you pass your thing, huh?
Yeah. But like, for
Like
example,
they make money on people not passing. So.
the way that Marie is trading this thing right now is breaking my head. But like, it's a good way. Like, I mean, it's
Still learning, but I really, I've been paying attention, so I'm hoping there's something here. And, you know, it's to find the right short time frame. And it's working today, but that doesn't mean that it's going to work tomorrow as well, right? The market seems to be conducive to today. But, okay, I want you to get below that level, and let's take another. Let's go. Oh, wow. The RSI is curling back solid when we're looking to the hour time frame.
like when you use a trailing stop, how easy is it to flip it to a limit, like, or to a regular stop loss? Once you have reached, like, let's say, if I trail like $100, let's say, I use a trailing stop for $100. after it had across my price, how easy is for me to say I want to break even and I want it to not trail it anymore? If I just touch it and I move it, will it stop trailing?
Yeah, like for me, I move it well.
The trading?
Like the stop loss, you mean?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is like, let's say you take a trade and you have $100 stop loss and it's a trading stop loss. But I want a trading stop loss, but during the trade I want to change it without having to do too many clicking and things like that because it's not like a hotkey. So is there a way that I can just swap that trailing stop order by a stop order? Like, can I say stop trailing here somehow?
That I don't know, David.
I don't know too.
Okay. I'm gonna try that with one contract and then I will see.
I'm wrong.
You are.
King my luck today, so.
My guy, do you have a daily stop loss?
No, but I'm far from.
No.
I'm 3 hours down, so it's not that bad. My stop loss to break even right away, so there's no risk. But today was one of the biggest loss in the past 6 weeks.
Okay. Now I'll see. I'm gonna
That's no good,
bring that down right above that level there. Yeah, that sounds good.
If Nvidia get me out, that won't take more trades today.
So if
That's gonna be my last trade. It's,
Okay.
I'm definitely smoking the candle today.
So yeah, can he break the top? That's the question.
yeah, we will see.
If it breaks the top, I think it will go to like
The next.
686.
The next. I'm just gonna take
You
a
have to
2
take a break, yeah,
seconds.
for sure.
Yeah. Right now my
And I have one class at 2:30. I'm gonna go to the gym before. Just on my stop loss at break even. See if it's gonna tank. Looks like it's What about me? Yeah, Ash Brown is kind of.
All right, we are back. Basically, yeah, I'm doing horrible today, man. Like horrible. It's just. Thank you, Google. Thank you, Google, for saving my life. So I have a Google swing tray that I took a couple weeks ago, and that thing I don't know why it just doesn't keep going up. Like right now, I still have been leaving a lot of profit on the table because this thing went to 339.90, something like that,
Okay.
and I didn't took any, but I'm okay with that. You know, it's just like this is a different thing. It's not a day trade, like so I don't treat it the same way. But for today in the day trading, I have been doing so horrible. And yeah, I really have to do some retrospection today because, like, I sent the picture to the guys. I was up by a lot in the overnight trade. I was doing okay, and then I decided to not take partials and things like that. So I'm gonna have to change that for a little bit. But like, I have to sit down with myself and make peace on that one, you know, because it's counterintuitive for me. For me, it just doesn't make sense. Like right now, Marie has like a good trade that, like, if it were me, like hell, I'm not taking partial on that. Yeah, so it's just because
You're funny.
no, but that's what I mean. Like that, if it will be me, but like I'm not saying I want you to do that. Like I'm saying, is the wrong thing to do. So like and like because it is the wrong thing to do, I have to see how I convince myself of you have to. Because especially in this account that we are like doing this challenge, the idea is that you can do what I want to do, but it's like you have to have some cushion. So if you have no cushion, you're just gonna it's
Blow
not
the
gonna
account.
work. Yeah. Which in this case I'd say I wanna do it, but like I wanna do it collecting data, knowing like okay, this is too much, this is too little. This is working, this is not working. And yeah, so but yeah, like honestly, I told you guys already, if this Nvidia trade get me out, I'm done for the day. And I'm gonna do retrospection today. I'm gonna really think about my actions because I think we were right about the direction of the market, but we were wrong. I was wrong about the Donald Trump talking, man. Like I mean, like that thing really got me. Like, and it's not the first time. Like the biggest loss I have previously. Actually, the biggest loss I had like in a couple. Like it was one day that he was talking. So I just have to keep it warm and like, hey, you know what? It's okay. It's don't get hit by the same rock a couple times.
Well
I'll be back in a
said.
bit, just give me a second.
I did not hear that, Davy. Sorry.
Oh, good. Okay. Like, imagine just how many people are gonna jump into this market because this guy say buy it, you know. And what I have to be like, what I am a little bit silly at that one is like, to me, it's like there is gonna be a point that people won't believe the same speech, people won't do the same, so they will say, you know what, I think we shouldn't do that. So, but like now he really, like he specifically say it that he gonna make it rally. So and then you ask like J. Paul, you ask Warren Buffett. I know that those people are not like necessarily market oriented in their fundamentals, like it's more economy. But like if you ask them like where the heck are the fundamentals, like why are we going there, like do you know what he said that I listened to, like I up to that point I was listening, the real inflation is 1.6%, something like that, like in barely no inflation, you know, like my guy, like you sure about that, you know, like who's telling you those numbers, like, and
yeah, because that's not true.
yeah. So all that being said, I wouldn't be surprised if at the end of the day the market have make another low for this week. It's just making no sense. So if it does that, at least I would say, you know what, they just push it too hard. If it doesn't do that, well, I'm gonna have a crisis. So and then we're gonna figure out what I do. But yeah.
So for what I wanted to say as well is that, yeah, I'm breaking even. So what I wanted to say as well is that I've been reading up on Jesse Livermore.
All right.
And just a different prospect from me, because I like, for me, the 2 minutes, the 1 minute, the 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes for me is freaking eternity. But for Turning Point, when I heard the 1 hour, I was like, are you kidding me, for a day trade? But
that guy was big cojones, you know, like.
Oh yeah, for the future, and
that guy have been the guy with the biggest cojones of the market, you know.
And you know what? And the way that he might be trading is it's something, anyways, that I found relevance.
Very cool to look at that guy trading, but yeah. He's dead. He shot himself. Literally.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But when you're looking at, what he was looking, so I've got, my charts that's set there in my 1 hour. I've got my signals that are in the 1 hour. And you know what? This is where I took the trade. Right there at the top. Where it curled, right there at the top. And wow. And it could be, that's why I'm saying, is it just today, what's happening, and, but we'll see. Okay, now it's going to be interesting.
Well, the only thing I can say from my little, like, because trading future, this is like with live data and things like that, this have been like my first week. For Zach and Marie that trade levels like me, there is reliability on those levels for sure. Like I have seen that. So does that mean that we are able to mismanage the trade? Yes, too. Like we are able to mismanage the trade even if we have the perfect entry. But like those levels, man, like I have too many lines right now, let's say. But if I say, you know what, I only like look how I spot the low of the day, even before it happened. Like I put that line there. Like tonight, like last night at 9 p.m., something like that, or 11, I don't remember. And like, look how 1, 2, 3, it went 3 times to the low of the day. And that's when I say like, I have to discriminate how many contracts I want to get if the level is a red level or if it's a regular level. Because the reason why that one is red is because there was a big volume drop below that level compared to the rest. So, look, it was by the penny twice, and then like 2 times by the penny, and 1 time it pierced it by a little bit. So, and that's why I say like, but did I believe that it was going to reverse with Mr. Talking? No, I didn't.
No, I don't think anyone did. Like when I'm looking at for them, they're so red that there's no way that they're going to recoup in the day. They flipped to long at the top. right? So they went long at the 6890 type deal. And no, they weren't expecting that as well, right? So, and we've get bag numbers, and like I got smoked. I was down 8R,
Yeah, I remember.
right?
Impressive how you recoup, you know. But with 18 contracts, I understand how you recuperate, you know. 21 actually, because she went up to 21.
Yeah. But that's not the kahuna. That was just
mistake, yeah.
a mistake. Yeah, absolutely. I'm so used to going long, right? So, hey, yeah, I'm gonna take a partial. I'm gonna sell. Duh. Wrong. Okay, so that's not the bottom, yeah?
Davey, how do you put just a line when it's like a range of price that is going down? Where do you put your line in the volume profile?
Yeah, okay. Like I have a lot of limitations, as I say, because the one I have is not useful right now. So here I have a 2 month. This is a 2 month period, but of course this month doesn't count because there is a extreme month, volume. So I just put it in between the lines. But if you see how what was the low of the day? The low of the day was when the volume was doing this step down here. You see? That's the low of the day. So, but if you see, this volume that was like this was all that the same width. Like this was all the increment that you see here. Like this space, like from here to here, it was Trump talking, literally. So the volume spiked a lot.
Can you click on the indicator to go in the settings? I think if you change the row size, you can get a better precision.
What would you go, down or up?
Up.
By how much?
Yeah. I did 250, but try 100 maybe. Change it.
Yeah, that's quite a lot.
So I don't know why it's equal.
Yeah, this.
Why does the volume is all equal?
It's not the same, so it's a little bit tricky. I'm gonna keep it at 24 because I see that it didn't spot the low of the day. SPY seems to be having trouble at previous high here. Like
At the 6900.
Like if I put the line here, it will be 684.77. 684.77. Right there. Trading below. Probably that's gonna be the reversal as you guys were calling it before. But we're gonna wait and we will see. So I'm gonna do a little bit of tape reading on Nvidia. just to see what this team wants to do. So Nvidia
Yeah,
right
and it's
now,
time to wrap it up too whenever
Yeah.
you're ready.
So we're gonna be there in a minute.
Yeah, no
So
problem.
Nvidia tape is looking more bearish, I will say, right now. Though I didn't look previously at it, so I want to spot the time and sell and see what it's doing. Let's see. So we are printing 182.53, 54. I don't see any relevant size because the print is very mixed right now. There we go. We have a decent bit going through, and we went 182.50, and then we got down a couple cents, like only like 3 cents. So that's not heavy enough for us to assume anything. And yeah, okay, another heavy bit there at 42, and it went down to, yeah, it's gapping down Nvidia in the time and sell. So probably it's gonna be short favoring for now, but we got smoked today, people. We really got smoked today, going everywhere. So that's okay. We're gonna keep it quiet and let's see what we do. So Google, I'm happy that Google cleared up my level. Yeah, Google's doing okay. So I don't know if Google is gonna go to $1,000 soon, but like it's a
let's
funny
go.
stock that have a tendency to do that. We cannot see that because it have been split a couple of times, but
Right?
but in the past we have seen that happening. So yeah, so let's see how we do. So basically, today in the futures I was doing very good, but I was a little bit too confident. So user be recommended. Okay, there we go. So I had a trade overnight, and today I'm not opening this overnight, because then I won't be able to sleep correctly. So
Well
like today,
said.
so I will keep it. After I close today, I won't open this thing. So yeah, basically, I went short tonight, like last night. Last night, I went short. Let me see what price I went short. I went short, like last time I went short, it was at 6,848 and 75. Then this thing went a little bit higher, went a little bit lower, but it went all the way to 6,815. I decided to move by taking partials, though it went exactly to it, and then it pierced it, and then it came back. And like then I took just a little partial here, like I got out here, but with little money compared to what I had previously. And then I shorted again, got out, shorted again, got out, shorted again, got out, and that was my last trade. Like then I got blocked here. I have for this account the maximum loss to $500, and yeah, all out, all block, and that's it. So in my opinion, the guys here, like we are trading with Marie and Zach. Marie and Zach are saying that they were short buyers. I think they have been right. Like myself, I am short buyers for sure. But I think we are right that we just have to get a little bit less aggressive. Like we have to find a way to survive those waves. Though Zach and Marie, they did survive. It was only me that got killed on that one, I think. So, but that's just Donald Trump talking and saying good things about the economy, bad things about other countries, but making it look pretty, I guess. And then it went all the way up. So we didn't have much choices here. So it's just like that happened eventually. It's in the whole, like since 2025, days like today that I have got smoked by a dump idea like that, it has been 3.
And it's been?
It was the day that he announced, like, oh, buy DJT today, and then he said the tariff was passed.
Mm-hmm.
It was yesterday, but yesterday was just like a $500 here, and it was today again.
When you grab the mic.
Yeah, when he grabbed the mic. So that being said, I have to be careful with that behavior because it's affecting my trading. So and it's just my fault. It's what we do. So we just have to be more careful on that one. But yeah, more than that, doing good. I have a Google trade that is doing good, though I have a big loss on INTC from the overnight. But yeah, so that was my future trading. Didn't went well. So then I took Nvidia. I traded Nvidia today. So in Nvidia, I went short. I got out here of a overnight position, and that was good. That made a couple hours. So then I went short again, took a loss, short again, took another loss, short again, add to the short, and it's the same short I still have. Am I short bias? For sure. Yeah. But that's supposed to work. So this one is working okay. It's just making like a little bit here, but like it will, if it keep going down, it's gonna print decent.
Okay.
So, but I am not taking any loan. As Zach was saying, I don't have much reason to justify that I want to take a loan in something else. What did the SPY just did?
So if it goes through that level, it's gonna drop. We'll see.
Oh my gosh.
Doing
Yeah,
well.
so I see SPY is going down again. So yeah, that's it for me. Probably worst days of the year for me, but we're gonna be okay. So what about you, Marie? I know you only trade futures today, so we're gonna focus.
Well, not
into-
true. I
Oh, no, you
trade the
trade on
Qs.
Oh yeah, you trade.
Right, I
trade the
held
Q
it
too.
overnight, but I liquidated too early, and in that case, I did 7R.
Nice.
for the
nice,
Qs.
nice.
But right now, I am. I kept long bias, right? So long bias, short bias. So since the beginning, it's been short, 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 short. But as I was going short, I was always going at the top of my levels
Okay, now we're
with
into the
the minimum risk. So the first time, if I remember correctly, that I went short, I don't have my position. You'll have to help me with that. So the first time that I went short at 6,847 and got me out. Then I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait for a better position, a better price. So I went short at 49, got me out. I went short at 40, got me out. I said, the heck with this, I'm gonna wait for the position now. So I went short at 90, got me out, 6,890. And then I went short, which was a great short, which was 6,903.50 that I went short. So since then, I've just been taking, a
Holy
couple of
crap.
mistake that I've done, of course. I'm gonna bring
she's
you
doing
down.
so good right now. So
So it's been really good trade at that level. But like I said, I've been monitoring my 1 hour, and it's been doing well. It's definitely been doing well, but we'll see. Like I said, short bias. At least I was going in my levels. I was 8R down, and I believe I'm going to finish with 10 R's up.
yeah, that's
So
pretty good.
that will be freaking fantastic as far as the flip went. So yeah, I should have went long. I went long, that's right. I went long once with a lot of contract with the tight stop loss, and it got me out immediately. So that's when I said, okay, that level is starting to be confirmed here. So I just waited, watched my 1 hour, and went in right at the top there. So
Nice.
yeah, very nice.
You see, we don't hire about traders here, so
I am going to have to take that call.
okay. Oh, good. Zach, what about you?
Pretty good day. 3.5 or down, so not that bad, but
Nice.
that's what I want. I was short bias too,
You're just 1 hour
short all
down?
the way up.
1 hour down?
No, 3.5.
3.5. Okay.
So I took short all the way up, and then I tried long when it was going down. So it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
And then at the end there, I had a small trade that I got out because I didn't want to risk it, and now it's dropping. So,
Nice.
yeah.
At least you it's kind of followed for the way you're playing, but what is your average contract normally? How many contracts do you normally trade? Zach, how many contracts do you normally trade?
I trade 5.
5. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, like I know you might be as frustrated as me right now with this process, but like at the end of the day, I think you will have a lot of value that you come back and you look at the chart and you look at what levels you were shorting. Like the same for like for me to be red, it doesn't like it doesn't annoy me as much. Though like what annoys me is the behavior. It's like this shouldn't happen. This shouldn't go higher that much, and like we have to have like a healthy way of pressing against that because you know that thing that they say like the market can be erratic for longer than you can be solvent.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it's just like there is no way I'm taking a loan today. So, but yeah, whatever. So, anything else, Zach?
Now, something I have to work on is to identify the trending days.
Mm-hmm.
Just go in that direction. And I took one good short today
Nice.
at the M16, right at the wick. So I got 1 hour from that because I took partial at the bottom, but not enough. So.
Well, I can tell you, Marie, in less than 2 minutes, you're gonna be out with 10 hours. Like, hell yeah.
Right.
10 hours after she paid for everything because she had paid for all her losses.
So she made 18.
Yeah, she made 18 hours. It's like hell. Oh yeah, she's out pretty much. Okay, so anything else, Zach?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna wrap it up. So thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for showing up there, and yeah, we're gonna be here every day doing the same. Hopefully, not getting a smoke. So yeah, sorry for like the bad trades, but hey, you know, I am responsible for that. It's like it's just like as it normally like everybody that trade know we have those weird days.
Oh, absolutely.
So yeah, so have a good one, everybody. We will see you then, and enjoy your day.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.